Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I'm in the house with the Monterey Bay knife Slayback here with me for a quick maintenance video. We're gonna try to clean this guy up and maintain it, but don't forget to like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying what I'm showing to you, because that really hugely and greatly helps me keep pushing and cranking those videos out. So grab your T8 Torx bit and your driver and start with the handle, and that's out, and then approach your pivot screw like so. Why doesn't want to come out? Like that, and it's gonna come out, and basically job is done. Just open nicely the scale, pop the scale out, very thin liner going on, just clean that out and put it here back in its place. Watch out for, you see the stop pin coming out, micro bearings are in. Just make sure you clean them thoroughly, 1 and 2, like so, and this guy can be right back into its place. And then just classic use of nano oil on the bearing and on the detent ball. Snag back your blade in and add just another couple of drops right over there. And don't forget the stop pin out, because it's not gonna work that well, and then it's back in. So this is a non-locking knife, that's why that's like that. You just have this is like a kind of like a slip joint with a double detent. Just put the liner in place like so and sandwich that in. Make sure the pivot goes through. Grab your pivot back in, blue Loctite around that thread like so, and boom, and the pivot is back in place. We're gonna just tune it in a second. Not gonna use any Loctite for the handle screws. I'm just gonna pop them back in like this, and that is done. We're gonna check those in a second. And I usually like to start tightening the screws from the handle like so, not too much, just like snug. And here, let's just try to see, blade is centered. It's too tight probably, so we want to have a little bit of action going on. Very good, actually. Oh, that's pleasant. There's no drop shot action, of course, because there's no lock to disengage. But, yeah, actually, just keep the hands away from the path, and you can just snag it back like that. And there you have it. That was pretty quick. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.